All right, 2.2, we're going to talk about adding real numbers, okay? Adding real numbers. So let's go to the board, ladies here, if y'all can do it in your spiral. All right, so let's go to the board. I may actually change those numbers that I wrote down for homework, so we'll just have to look at it here in a second. Probably will change them. All right. I want you to do problems 20, 25, 26, and 27. Do 25, problems 25, 26, and 27. All right, so your three problems are negative 13 plus negative 6, then 14 plus negative 11, then negative 5 plus 10 plus negative 3. Okay, that's problems 25, 26, and 27. No, it's only when you have a positive and a negative that you do that. So that one right there would be one. That right there would be one where you'd subtract their absolute values, because you have a positive and a negative. Your negative sign is wrong. On the 14, it goes on the 11, not the 14.
Yeah, that way.
Larry, can you write any slower there, sir? Come on, son, hurry up. You have to write it out. Show me your work, Owen. Good, good, good. You're off there. Just carelessness, not the way you did it, just carelessness. Good, good, good. Yep. Stop. Get to work. Let's go. Where's? Huh? That's one of the right ones. We got three of them. Negative 13, there, there, and there. Copy them off the board. Gentlemen, stop. Stop or we sit down. Top one's not. Yeah, but what's sign? Yeah. No, it's multiplication that two negatives equal a positive. All right. Let's look at our rules real quickly here. We have negative 13 plus negative 6. When you have two negatives, you simply add the two together and keep the negative sign. Okay? Next one. When you have a positive and a negative, you must take their absolute values and subtract their absolute values. That's 3. The larger absolute value is the 14. So we'd say it's a positive. Obviously, you don't have to put the positive sign. Okay, you move to the next one. You take these two first, or the easier way to do it is just do this. Use the commutative property. Commutative property says I can rearrange the terms. Okay, associative property also says it doesn't matter which two I do first. So I put those two together. That gives me negative 8 plus 10. Now I take their absolute values because I have a positive and a negative. I take 10 minus 8, which is 2, and it's positive because our larger value of 10 is positive. Okay? So, let's do the next one. Do number 31. $6.8 plus 3.3 plus negative 4.1. Remember that when you're adding decimals, adding or subtracting decimals, you must line up the decimal. Or you'll go to the other one. Yep. 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 All right. On this one, you obviously take the 6.8 and add the 3.3 to it, giving you 10.1. And when you rewrite it, that gives us 10.1 plus negative 4.1. Okay. I have a positive and a negative, so I got to take their absolute values and subtract them. So it gives me 10.1 minus 4.1. which gives me 6.0, so my answer is 6. Okay? All right. Do number 32. 32 says 9.8 plus negative 6.3 plus negative 7.2. All right. Negative 3.7. Okay. All right, let's do problem number 46. Problem number 46. All right, what do we get? What? -5. That would be correct. So that means here we have to plug in -6 plus -3 plus 4. -6 plus -3 is -9 plus 4. Then we have -9 plus 4, which is -5. All right. Now, all right, get with your group right there, and I want you to do problem 52 and 53. Okay, no, do it as a group. All of you together, as a group, do problems 52 and 53. All right. On number 52, the atoms, all they want you basically to do is what? Somebody tell me what they want you to do here. It's not real complicated. Caleb Koskey, tell me what they want you to do.
They want you to find out if it's an ion and what kind of charge.
Okay, how do we do that? What do they want you to do? Add, subtract, what?
They want you to subtract.
Okay, so you're basically just taking what? Zach, what are you taking and subtracting or adding? Electrons are what? Negative. Okay, what are protons? Okay, so electrons are negative, protons are positive. So if it has a positive ion, then it's basically what? So basically then, which one is going to have the Na plus sign? Okay, the one that has a positive, right? So basically you have electrons are negative. So if you have, for example, that first one, you have Na atom 1. You have electrons are 10. Protons are 11. Okay, these are negative, these are positive. So you're basically just taking -10 plus positive 11, which gives me a positive 1, so that is Na positive. Okay? You do the same thing on the fluorine atom. Okay? You do the same thing. Electrons are negative, protons are positive. So which one of those is going to be a positive? Or which atom has a symbol of F negative? F atom 2. Okay? So they're looking for this F negative in problem number 53. Okay? And so when you take F atom 2, you have, 10 electrons and 9 protons. Okay? So basically what they're saying is you have 10 of the negatives, okay, and you have 9 of the positives. Okay, and so those are going to cancel each other out. Cancels all the way through like that. Okay, and you're going to be left with one negative. So F atom 2 is going to be the answer to 53. Okay? All right. Your work is this. I'm going to change it, so go back up here at the top. We're going to mark that out. We're going 2.2 27 through 32. (37) through 42, you can use a calculator on. Okay. 43 through 55. And 58 through 60. Yeah, you can get started.